Full-time ba agad or pwede namang part-time muna? Let's discuss why it's okay for you to apply first as a part-time virtual assistant. First, it's less overwhelming for newbies or for beginners. If you are new in the virtual assistance industry, it's actually better for you to apply as a part-time VA for you to still adjust and have time to learn new tools and skills. Next is skill building stage. Part-time allows you to explore different tools and skills and for you to find the exact niche that you're into. Next is risk management. Part-time is better for you to make sure that you can handle and balance everything, especially if you have studies or if you're a work from home mom or if you have other jobs. At least you'll have time to test the waters. And lastly, time management trial. You'll slowly learn how to do multitasking and using different tools all at once without getting a lot of pressure. So again, hearing those reasons, are you really for part-time? If gusto mo namang malaman if for full-time ka, please watch our next video.